Neither Klover nor Cleo offers the highest advance limit to every user because each app determines available limits based on your individual eligibility, account information, and internal review process. By the end of this video, you'll know how Klover and Cleo determine advance limits and which app may be the better choice for your situation. If you're comparing Klover and Cleo based on borrowing limits, the first thing to understand is that the amount shown to one user may be completely different for another. Both apps review factors such as your linked bank account, account history, and eligibility before displaying an available advance. With Klover, your available limit is tied to the information connected to your account. If your bank account is linked correctly, your identity has been verified, and your account remains in good standing, you'll see the advance amount currently available to you inside the app. That limit may change over time as your account information is updated. Cleo also evaluates each account individually rather than offering the same limit to everyone. After connecting your bank account and completing any required verification, Cleo determines the advance amount you're eligible to receive based on its own review process. Instead of focusing only on the maximum possible limit, compare what each app is actually offering your account today. Open both apps, review the available advance amount, and check any requirements attached to the offer. The higher limit for your account may not be the same as the higher limit for someone else. You should also compare other features before making a decision. Look at repayment options, account requirements, eligibility rules, and the overall experience inside each app. A slightly lower advance with a smoother approval process may be more useful than a larger amount that's not currently available to you. Keep both apps updated to the latest version, and make sure your linked bank account information is accurate. If either app requests identity verification or additional account details, complete those steps promptly. Missing information can affect both eligibility and the advance limit shown in your account. To recap, there isn't one app that always provides higher limits. Klover and Cleo both calculate advance amounts based on your individual account and eligibility. The best way to compare them is to review the offers available inside each app after your account setup and verification are complete. If this comparison helped you decide between Klover and Cleo, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.